It's been a while since I've actually shared a vlog with you. So come on in, and join me and Kevin over in Antelope Valley, California. This is the poppy fields that we found. Kevin's doing the drone, so we'll have some drone shootage. And then here is the poppy fields. This is what we found. It's absolutely gorgeous. We have to wait. It's windy now, and then we have to wait for the wind to stop. So far, I've used this tripod. I've used this, and then my eyepiece, and then this, my shutter release, and then I have locked my Canon. Now when I photograph, I'm photographing thinking about what I would want in my home. So this is my target market. We have orange, purple, yellow, all kinds of stuff around here that I can photograph. And white, I need to get some of those white flowers over there. But one thing that you need to pay attention to when you photograph is that we are on a hill right here. This is a hill up here. And then I'll pan around. And there's Kevin, and here's another hill. So it's blocking the wind, so you can do this. It's not very much wind, so like these poppies are really mellow right now, so I should really get in here and start working. Just wanted to give you a tip. Look for a ravine or something low to the ground so you can shoot. I have my eye piece because I'm down low, and I found this bunch of poppies here, the wild poppies, and as you can see it's blowing, so I'm going to have to check out my shutter speed, but let's show you what it looks like. So I've got the tripod set up, I have my rack here, and I'm good to go.